What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on the E36 M3. If you guys have been keeping up with the videos, you know that in the last video we got the exterior all finished up and put back together, and this thing is looking so much better than before. Just look at the reflection from the light in that paint. This thing looks so damn good, and I love that color. I feel like this color looks like shit when it's like old, but when it's freshly painted it looks so much better. But yeah, like I said, we are going to be working on the E36. We are finally going to be moving on to the interior of the car because the interior needs a lot of work. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I mean, I don't think I need to explain anything more. If you guys just look at this damn interior, it needs so much work. We got like tearing in the seats. Now there's a lot of things that are taken apart, but I have all the pieces. I had actually taken all this stuff apart so I can work on getting the manual swap in, and I did. But yeah, look at how bad this interior is. There is a big ass chunk of carpet missing just right there, so we for sure need to get that taken care of. We got the headliner all sagging and shit. You could fit a baby in here or possibly my nose. We got so much freaking work to do. The old owner had like stapled the freaking headliner just so it won't sag, but you know, I don't know if that helped or not. But in this video we're going to be taking care of a lot of this stuff. We're probably not going to finish it in this video because there's so much work to do, but we are going to be taking apart the entire interior, or almost the entire interior, like door panels, seats. We got to take this carpet out so we can replace it. We got to take that headliner off. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't really want to do it anymore, but it's whatever. We got to get this damn thing done and over with. But if you guys did watch the last video, you'll know that I actually picked up new interior for this car. Well, not new like seats or anything like that, but I picked up like new seat covers, which is a direct replacement of these old seat like leather covers. So I basically have to take those off and install the new ones on, which I can go ahead and show you guys right now. So here is the official color reveal of the new interior. Are you tired of carrying around your big old rinky-dink wallet even though you have no money in there? I mean, what's the need for this big ass wallet then, am I right? If we're broke as shit, only have a damn $2 bill, then there's no point in carrying this shit. Well, if you're like me and you're tired of carrying this crap around, then you're gonna love today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber. For those who don't know what Simply Carbon Fiber is, as I was saying, for those who don't know what Simply Carbon Fiber is, they are, well, basically it's in their name. They make a bunch of like cool carbon fiber products like sunglasses. They make wallets, which I have one in my hand right here. It's just in the box. They make AirPod cases, iPhone cases, you name it, they got it. And as I just mentioned, they sent me out a cool new wallet that they just came out with, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys real quick. So here is the new wallet that I'm talking about, guys. They just sent this out to me, and this thing is looking so freaking cool. It's completely made out of carbon fiber. It's not like your normal old wallet where you just flip open and have no money in there, you know, like usual, broke as a joke. But it is a really cool clip carbon fiber wallet. You can literally just clip it onto the side and have people steal your money, or just throw it in your pocket like a normal wallet. Let me go ahead and throw all my maxed out credit cards into this new wallet and show you guys how it looks. I got all my maxed out credit cards and everything in here, and I even fit in all 2 of my dollars in here as well. This thing is so much sleeker and so much cooler looking than this damn wallet right here. I mean, why pay $350, $400 for that boring old leather wallet with the damn red and green stripe on it when you could get this dope ass carbon fiber wallet? But like I said before, this isn't the only thing that they carry on their website. They got so many cool products, and they are having a Valentine's Day sale coming up, so make sure you guys check out their website. I will have the link down below. Again, huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the video. Bam. So the color of the interior is going to be red. So obviously, if you guys noticed, that headrest was missing because I had taken it off and already recovered it in the new leather that I picked up, or pleather. I honestly don't know if it's real leather or not, but this came out really good. I did this by myself. So it basically just comes stitched and ready for you to throw on. So I'm still debating on whether I should try to do this myself and replace all the leather myself, or just take it to an upholstery shop and have them do it, because obviously it'll be much easier for them to do it. And I have to get this like foam filled up, or get a replacement bolster for this seat and this bottom one as well. I think I might give it a try myself, and if it doesn't work out, then I'll take it to the upholstery shop. But we're not gonna be doing that in today's video anyway. That will be the next video. Today we're gonna take apart the entire interior, get it cleaned up a bit, and just move forward from there. So let me start by taking these seats out and these door panels. Alright guys, it is actually the next day. In that last clip you saw me take off all the door panels and the rear seats and the rear deck lid up there. So all that's left for me to do is take this headliner off right here along with the front A-pillars. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clean this carpet up a little bit and get this carpet out of here because, as I said before, we're replacing the carpet as well. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so in those last clips you saw me and my little nephew take off the headliner and all the pieces like the sun visors and stuff like that so I can recover the headliner. And he also went ahead and cleaned the carpet up a little bit. I also went ahead and took the sunroof off so I could take this like sunroof headliner like cover off as well, which is sitting right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on recovering this headliner with the new material that I got. This is the new material. It's gonna be like a Alcantara. It's gonna look really good when we're done. So I'm gonna get to work. Alright guys, as you can tell, it's actually daylight outside. Yesterday I started working on this headliner and I got most of it done, but today I went ahead and finished it all up. And I also went ahead and finished these pillar pieces and that small like switch panel piece that goes right there. I also went ahead and redid the sunroof liner, so these are all good to go. I just put it outside just so they can cure a little bit faster. So I was planning on doing these two rear C-pillars. They go all the way in the back, but honestly they're going to be a little bit tedious because of like this curve and stuff like that, so decided not to do it. Plus the material on it is actually stuck on there pretty good, so there's no need to redo that. So I'm just going to go ahead and repaint those black along with this rear like deck panel because obviously it's all faded and it looks purple. So I'm going to go ahead and shoot it up with some black like carpet paint, and I'll also go ahead and paint these speaker panels black just so they look a little bit new again. So everything else is basically going to be like Alcantara or suede, and just this rear end part will be just black. Well guys, I finally got everything done. But in that last clip, I went ahead and painted this rear deck lid. Just look how good that came out. Looks basically brand new again. I also went ahead and painted these rear pieces right here and also these speaker covers right here. So everything is looking refreshed and good again. I just gotta let everything dry up, and I gotta clean up this entire mess right here. There's so much crap to clean up. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean everything up while all that cures, and then I'll start throwing everything back into the car again. I got everything for the roof all back in here. So I got the rear deck lid, those two side panels back in. This damn headliner was a big pain in the ass to get back in there, but I finally got it in and fitted correctly. Got the sunroof liner back in as well. It just looks a little odd because these are like empty spots right here in the sunroof panel. I don't know why, but yeah, that's all good to go, and I am happy with the result. It came out so much better. No more sagging or anything like that. So I had actually planned on replacing the carpet in this video because if you guys remember, there was a big hole in there. I had gotten this piece of carpet from like a junkyard car just to see if I could maybe fit this in there and make it work, but it doesn't really look good, so I think I'm just going to replace this entire carpet. But first I actually need to find a clean example of one. I have a parts car, but the carpet in that is actually tore up even worse than that, so I actually have to find the carpet before I can get this replaced. So we're probably not going to do that in this video. What I am going to do to finish off this video is throw in all the trunk liners. I got these parts from my parts car because this car did not have this middle trunk liner piece. It did have these side pieces, but the old owner had cut out like the shock tower areas, so I didn't want it to look like that, so I went ahead and just picked these up from my parts car. I pressure washed them and got them all cleaned up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up this trunk a little bit, give it a good wipe down and a vacuum, and then I'll throw those pieces in. Guys, I just got done with the trunk. Now look at how good this entire thing looks. I went ahead and threw it all together. All the trims are back on. Like this trim piece is back on. These tail light pieces are back on. The side linings are back on. And I also went ahead and threw this cool little like CD player lining that I found in my parts car. So that covers up the CD player. It's pretty dope. I went ahead and sprayed this bottom like wheel well area and under the battery with some undercoating because there was like a little bit of like surface rust over there, which I went ahead and cleaned up and then undercoated, so that's looking all good again. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like in the end. Finally all back together. And with that being said, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video because we're finally going to be redoing the seats on the car. I already showed you guys the interior color and everything, so that's all going to be finally done. Hopefully we get the entire interior sorted out and complete, and then we can just move on to the finishing touches of the car, like maybe wheels and stuff like that. There's still like little pieces that I still have to put on anyway. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you guys think about the build, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.